Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you the easiest way to invite your friends to join you on Instagram using WhatsApp. Whether you want to grow your Instagram community or just share the fun with your contacts, this updated method makes it quick and seamless. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Once you're in, look down to the bottom right corner of the screen and tap your profile icon. This will take you to your personal Instagram profile page. Next, head over to the top right corner and tap the three-line menu icon, also known as the hamburger menu. This opens up a list of options for you to explore. Scroll down through the menu until you find Follow and Invite Friends. Tap on it to proceed. This section is designed to help you connect with people you know and invite new friends to Instagram. Now, you'll see several ways to invite friends, but for today's method, tap on Invite Friends by WhatsApp. This will open WhatsApp and allow you to select the contacts you want to invite. Choose the contacts you want to send the invitation to, and WhatsApp will automatically generate a message with a link to Instagram. You can personalize the message if you like before sending it out. And that's it. Your friends will receive your invitation through WhatsApp, making it super easy for them to join Instagram and connect with you. This updated process is perfect for anyone looking to expand their Instagram network quickly and efficiently. It combines the power of two popular apps, Instagram and WhatsApp, to keep you connected with your social circle. So next time you want to invite friends to Instagram, just follow these simple steps, and you'll be sharing the Instagram experience in no time. Thanks for watching, and happy connecting.